Little Giant fiberglass ladder presents several advantages. Firstly, versatility is a key benefit. It extends from 9 feet to 19 feet, providing multiple ladder configurations suitable for various tasks. Secondly, ease of use is another pro. The spring-loaded locking mechanisms allow for quick and easy adjustments. Thirdly, the fiberglass construction makes it easy to transport and maneuver due to its lightweight nature. Fourthly, durability is a strong point. Fiberglass is highly resistant to weather and chemicals. Fifthly, safety is paramount. It meets Occupational Safety and Health Administration, often referred to as OSHA, and American National Standards Institute, also known as ANSI safety standards. However, there are also cons to consider. The price can be more expensive than traditional aluminum ladders. The weight capacity is lower, at 300 pounds, compared to some aluminum models. The extended length can be challenging to store or transport in tight spaces. Fiberglass can be less slip-resistant than other ladder materials in wet conditions. Fiberglass is more prone to scratching than aluminum. As alternatives, consider the Werner and Louisville. It is a high-quality aluminum ladder with a similar reach of 17 feet extended and 8.5 feet step. It is more affordable than the Little Giant. Another option is the Louisville ladder LAP26. It is another versatile fiberglass ladder with a reach of 19 feet extended and 9.5 feet step, with a similar price point to the Little Giant. Lastly, there is the Extend and Climb X3 Wide. It is a heavy-duty aluminum ladder with a wide step platform 20 inches wide. It offers a higher weight capacity of 375 pounds. If you need a versatile and durable ladder for a variety of tasks, the Little Giant fiberglass ladder is a good choice. However, if cost, weight capacity, or storage space are concerns, consider an aluminum ladder as an alternative. Ultimately, the best ladder for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. When evaluating ladders, remember to consider the duty rating, which indicates the maximum weight the ladder can safely hold. The duty rating includes the user's weight plus the weight of any tools and materials. Common duty ratings are Type Roman 3, which is 200 pounds, Type Roman 2, which is 225 pounds, Type I, which is 250 pounds, Type IA, which is 300 pounds, and Type IA, which is 375 pounds. Choosing the right duty rating is crucial for safety. Pay attention to the ladder's material. Aluminum ladders are lightweight and conductive, making them suitable for general use but not near electrical hazards. Fiberglass ladders are non-conductive and ideal for working around electricity. Steel ladders are the strongest but also the heaviest and are primarily used in industrial settings. Consider the ladder's height. Extension ladders are adjustable and suitable for reaching high places. Step ladders are self-supporting and good for indoor use or lower heights. Multi-position ladders can be configured in various ways, offering flexibility for different tasks. Inspect the ladder before each use for any signs of damage, such as cracks, loose rungs, or worn-out feet. Never use a damaged ladder. Place the ladder on a stable and level surface. Avoid placing it on uneven ground or slippery surfaces. When using an extension ladder, ensure it extends at least 3 feet above the support point and is angled correctly. A good rule of thumb is the 4-to-1 rule, where the base of the ladder is placed 1 foot away from the wall for every 4 feet of height to the support point. Always maintain 3 points of contact with the ladder at all times. This means having 2 hands and 1 foot or 2 feet and 1 hand in contact with the ladder. Avoid overreaching or leaning too far to one side, which can cause the ladder to tip over. Wear appropriate footwear with good traction to prevent slipping. Keep the ladder clean and free of grease, oil, and other slippery substances. Be aware of your surroundings, especially when working outdoors. Watch out for power lines, trees, and other obstacles. If working near traffic, use warning signs or barriers to alert drivers. Never exceed the ladder's weight capacity. Distribute weight evenly and avoid carrying heavy loads while climbing. Store ladders properly when not in use. Keep them in a dry and secure place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Avoid storing ladders in areas where they could be damaged or become a tripping hazard. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper use and maintenance of the ladder. If you are unsure about any aspect of ladder safety, consult a qualified professional. Choosing the right ladder and following safety precautions can help prevent accidents and injuries. Consider the specific tasks you will be performing when selecting a ladder. For example, if you need to work on electrical projects, a fiberglass ladder is essential. If you need to reach high places, an extension ladder is necessary. If you need to work indoors, a step ladder may be sufficient. If you need a ladder that can be used in multiple configurations, a multi-position ladder is a good choice. In addition to the types of ladders mentioned earlier, there are also specialty ladders available for specific tasks. For example, platform ladders have a large platform at the top, providing a stable and comfortable work surface. Articulated ladders have hinges that allow them to be used in various configurations, such as a straight ladder, a step ladder, or a scaffold. Telescoping ladders are compact and easy to store, making them ideal for small spaces. When choosing a ladder, consider the features that are important to you. For example, some ladders have non-slip rungs, which provide a better grip. Some ladders have levelers, which allow you to adjust the height of the ladder on uneven surfaces. Some ladders have tool trays, which provide a convenient place to store tools while you are working. Some ladders have wheels, which make it easier to move the ladder around. Before using a ladder, always inspect it for any signs of damage. Check the rungs, side rails, feet, and locking mechanisms. If you find any damage, do not use the ladder. Have it repaired or replaced. When climbing a ladder, always face the ladder and grip the rungs firmly. Avoid carrying heavy objects while climbing. Keep your body centered between the side rails of the ladder. When working on a ladder, avoid overreaching or leaning too far to one side. This can cause the ladder to tip over. If you need to reach something that is too far away, move the ladder instead. Never stand on the top rung of a ladder. This is very dangerous. Always have someone hold the ladder while you are working on it. This will help to prevent the ladder from tipping over. When you are finished using the ladder, lower it carefully and store it in a safe place. Keep it away from children and pets. Ladders are essential tools for many tasks, but they can also be dangerous if used improperly. By following these safety tips, you can help prevent accidents and injuries. When considering ladder materials, remember that aluminum conducts electricity, making it unsuitable for electrical work. Fiberglass is non-conductive and a safer choice for such applications. Wood ladders, while less common, are also non-conductive but require more maintenance to prevent rot and decay. The choice of material depends on the specific tasks you'll be performing and the environment in which the ladder will be used. Remember to check the weather conditions before using a ladder outdoors. Avoid using ladders in windy conditions or during thunderstorms. Wind can cause the ladder to sway or tip over, and lightning strikes can be deadly. If you must work outdoors in windy conditions, use a ladder stabilizer or have someone hold the ladder securely. Be aware of your surroundings when using a ladder. Watch out for overhead obstructions such as power lines, tree branches, and overhangs. Make sure there is enough clearance to safely use the ladder without hitting anything. If you are working near power lines, maintain a safe distance and use a fiberglass ladder. Never touch a power line with a ladder, as this can result in electrocution. If you are working on a roof, use a roof ladder with hooks to secure it to the roof. This will prevent the ladder from sliding or falling. Wear a safety harness and lifeline when working on a roof ladder. When using a ladder on stairs, use a ladder leveler or a stair ladder to ensure the ladder is stable and level. Never place a ladder directly on the stairs, as this can be very dangerous. When using a ladder near a doorway, close and lock the door or place a warning sign to prevent someone from opening the door and knocking the ladder over. Be aware of the potential for ladder-related accidents. Falls from ladders are a leading cause of injuries in the workplace and at home. By following safety precautions and using ladders properly, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents. Regularly inspect your ladders for wear and tear. Pay close attention to the rungs, side rails, feet and locking mechanisms. Replace any worn or damaged parts immediately. Store ladders in a dry, secure place where they will not be exposed to extreme temperatures or humidity. Protect ladders from damage and misuse. Educate yourself and others on ladder safety. Attend training courses and read safety manuals to learn about the proper use and maintenance of ladders. Share your knowledge with others to help prevent accidents. Remember, ladder safety is everyone's responsibility. By working together, we can create a safer environment for everyone. Always err on the side of caution when using a ladder. If you are unsure about something, ask for help or consult a professional. Do not take unnecessary risks. Your safety is more important than anything else. Consider the long-term cost of owning a ladder. A high-quality ladder may be more expensive initially, but it will last longer and provide better safety and performance. A cheap ladder may be tempting, but it could end up costing you more in the long run due to repairs, replacements, or even injuries. Invest in a ladder that is durable, reliable, and safe. Consider the environmental impact of your ladder choices. Choose ladders made from sustainable materials and manufactured using environmentally friendly processes. Recycle old ladders wherever possible. Be a responsible consumer and help protect the environment. Remember that ladders are tools. Unlike any tool, they must be used properly to be safe and effective. Take the time to learn about ladder safety and follow the precautions outlined in this guide. Your safety and the safety of others depend on it. Finally, always remember that safety is a mindset. Be aware of your surroundings, think before you act, and never take unnecessary risks. By making safety a priority, you can help prevent accidents and injuries in all aspects of your life.